So friends, welcome to a new video on Win vs Droid. Happy Diwali to all of you. May this year be filled with joy and for all of you, for you as well as your family. So here's a new device that arrived on today's 10th. I am doing the unboxing. Maybe you might have seen the teaser video. So this thing is a testing unit. It arrived in this kind of box. So that was pretty surprising. I was waiting for this from a few days, actually from the starting of November. Didn't expect it to come in this box though. Anyways, no issues, not many issues, no serious issue. So what's inside? You get this package, and okay, there's nothing inside this. So inside that you get this package. Okay, so you do get the proper packaging. I thought that there would not be any proper packaging. So here's this thing. I'm quite excited to hold this thing in my hand. It's a brand new, maybe not brand new. The seal is broken. Oops. So yes, this is not a brand new one. This was already open, sealed is open, and a tape is applied. Anyways, let's first have a look at the box as our usual habit. Samsung Z3. I wanted a black version, but maybe this is a. I would have liked the black version, but this might be a golden version. This is how it looks. At this side, make for India, not made in India, but make for India. Celebrating 20 years of Samsung Electronics in India, Tizen. Now the special feature inside this, Mix Radio, My Galaxy as well. The price is 8,600 rupees. Not given, yeah, provided over here. Contents are main set, battery, data cable, adapter, and headset. Nothing at the. Okay, so a seal is provided here, but do not accept it if the seal is broken. This might have been applied later on. It has support for regional languages in India: Hindi, Bengali, maybe Punjabi, Kannada, Malayalam, Gujarati, and Marathi, and lot of them, even Nepali, and so nothing else. So let's open this box. Okay, so let's take this thing out. Man, this is in black. Brilliant. So here's the device. Let's keep it aside for the time being, and let's have a look at the other contents inside. First of all, you get this booklet. Quick start guide, warranty card, SAR information. Then you have a white colored power brick, Samsung branding. The output is 1 ampere, so it would be fairly quick, not that quick, but you have headsets, white colored, everything is white. These are cheap quality headsets with a button to make and end calls, and no gold plating. Here's a USB cable, and finally, I guess that's it. You have the battery. It's a lithium ion battery. It's made in Malaysia, assembled in Vietnam. The rating is 2600. Now let's have a look at the main thing itself. Okay, so here's the thing. Samsung Z3 in my hand. This black color looks brilliant. Pretty lightweight without the battery. Let's remove this. Plastic. There's nothing on the front, it seems, and some plastic at the back as well. Okay, so let's look at the specs. You have the earpiece. This is the first time I'm getting this thing right. I generally forgot what's this called. Some sensors, two sensors, front camera. Maybe it's yeah, it's a 5 megapixel camera. Samsung branding, 5-inch 720p display. So I forgot to show you this a few things specs mentioned on the box at the back side. Main thing of this device is the Tizen OS, and it comes with an HD AMOLED, actually Super AMOLED display. So that's something I'm excited to check out. I have never seen a AMOLED display before, and it has 8 megapixel back and front 5 megapixel with 120-degree wide angle lens. Ultra power saving mode, that's something I have heard praise about, and it has 3G, no 4G here. Quad core processor from Spectrum, and 8 GB memory internal and 1 GB of RAM. It's a dual SIM device. So now let's okay, so this is the AMOLED screen, and you have 3 buttons. Actually, this is the main home button, which is a physical button, and you have two touch capacitive buttons. At the at the right, you have a power button probably. At the top, you have a 3.5 mm audio jack. On this side, you have volume rockers. At the bottom, you have a microphone hole and a USB data syncing and charging port. Now at the back side, you have this thing, 8 megapixel camera as I mentioned, and LED flash. Here you have the loudspeaker, Samsung branding, Duos branding. This thing looks good. This metal style edge. Now let's open the back cover. Okay, from here. Now let's remove this plastic. So you have two SIM cards, 1 and 2, both look like micro SIM, and there should be an SD card slot. I guess this should have been an SD card slot. This does have an expandable storage. I'll be checking that out later. So let's insert the battery and activate the device. It does make this kind of noise like my Euphoria does. Now let's boot it on for the first time. So here's the first time boot animation, powered by Tizen Samsung Z3. No SIM card inserted. Oh, let's select the okay, English UK. Agree. Yes. Let me connect it to my Wi-Fi. Just a second, guys. So it's connecting to my Wi-Fi and it's connected. You need to create a Samsung account. So I'll come back after that. So we are done with the sign in, and I forgot to. I did not create the Dropbox account, which would have given me 50 GB for free. So this is the start screen, home screen. Now let me change the angle so that you get a better view. So here's the home screen. This is the lock screen. Swipe screen to unlock. You have a direct shortcut to camera, date and time. So let's open. So this is the screen. Let's reduce the brightness. Outdoor mode will remain enabled for 15 minutes, and so okay, reduce the brightness. Doesn't seem to be working. Go to settings, display. Okay, so it might be due to the outdoor mode enabled. So here's the home screen. You have weather information. You can add a city. You have some 4x2 row of shortcuts. Here's the notification. I have never used a Samsung Galaxy device, means for long, so I have no idea much about TouchWiz, but people say that this resembles TouchWiz. You have some shortcuts. You can change the brightness from here. There's an outdoor option. You get your notifications over here. More shortcuts, ultra power saving mode, ultra data saving. That's it. Now let's go to settings. You have different options that you get on Android as well. About the device, Tizen version is 2.4.0.1. So this is the AMOLED display. Here are the different apps you get inbuilt, sorry, pre-installed. Tizen Store, Theme Store, YouTube. So there's a YouTube app as well. Sorry about the poor quality, guys. Poor video quality. My sister keeps interrupting, and I also had to change my location. So okay, let's continue. So here are the default apps pre-installed. You also have a YouTube app, so that raises suspicion about Google's claim that there aren't enough users on Windows Phone for them to create an app for it. Or maybe this might have been using the ACL, for which using which you can run Android apps. So I need to check that as well. Calendar, calculator, voice recorder, and you have Asphalt Nitro. So that's a great game pre-installed. Nothing else, just a few. So pretty minimalistic, unlike their Android phones. Let's have a look at the camera. There's my Windows phone and my Android joins, and my Tizen phone is capturing them. There is autofocus. It was fast, in my opinion. Not sure if the quality is the best, but it's okay. What else? Am I missing anything? So let's look at some more pre-installed apps. It comes with WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, Mixed Now that's one of the most important apps. WeChat, Quicker, Truecaller, Weather. Here Maps, this is important as well. The maps are provided by Here Maps. Ola Cabs, Daily Hunt, ClickBuzz, and McAfee Security. So it does come with the security, McAfee Security pre-installed. You may disable it if you want from settings. Let's look at the dialer. This is the dialer. Logs. Let's look at messaging. Let's type a new message. Now the good thing about the keyboard is that you get numbers on the top, so that's a good thing. And what else? Music. This is My Galaxy. And let me show you multitasking. You need to press this home button, and you get this kind of view. So this way you can multitask. If you want to close the camera, you can slide it away, and you can also close all. And this button brings some customizations like you have in Android. You can delete this page and it's gone. Here is something called styler. Change the various customizations, themes. Let's try this black. This one will save a lot of energy, a lot of power, battery, since the screen will be less lit probably. But the icons don't seem that good, so let's change it back. What else do you get in styler? Color, you can change the color. Various customizations, I may have to make a separate video. I guess I have covered most of the things. Now if you want to see something specific on this device as compared to Android and Windows phone, then do let me know through the comment section. So whatever feature that you want to see on Tizen, you should let me know in the comment section, and I will try my best to make a separate video for you. So I think I need to conclude this unboxing here. This should be the best unboxing that I have ever made. Not the best in terms of quality, but I'm quite happy with the unboxing that I did today. So that was it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day.